many hints and speculations, we might finally know when the new Apple AirPods Pro 3 will be dropping. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. After several months of hinting, AirPods Pro 3 seem to be on track to release soon. According to rumors surfacing, Apple plans to reveal its latest premium earbuds this fall. According to Mark Gurman, the new Pro earbuds are part of Apple's fall rollout, expected to launch alongside the iPhone 17 and the updated Apple Watches. And these AirPods won't be just another addition to the list of products, but a whole new refresh with new features. But what makes this drop exciting? For one, Apple's reportedly planning to add heart rate monitoring to the AirPods Pro 3, a feature that's been whispered about for years. If true, it will mark a major leap forward, pushing the earbuds further into the health and wellness category alongside the Apple Watch and the Vision Pro. If Apple drops these AirPods Pro 3, there'll be a major wildcard this fall because while earlier leaks suggested a 2025 debut based on references in iOS code, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said AirPods may not be able to receive significant updates until 2026, confusing Apple fans even more. However, Gurman's update lines up perfectly with Apple's historical upgrade cycle. The last AirPods Pro arrived in 2022, and Apple typically sticks to a 3-year refresh pattern. So what else is expected? Rumors suggest enhanced audio quality, even more advanced active noise cancellation, and a likely shift to USB-C charging, continuing Apple's slow move away from Lightning connectors. If all holds true, AirPods Pro 3 could be Apple's most feature-rich earbuds yet, turning your ears into mini health hubs. Are you excited for AirPods Pro 3 as much as we are? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.